Hey guys, welcome back to the farmstead. We're glad you're here. Just a real quick video today. We are gearing up and ready for our second package bee delivery. This second bee run is going to be a lot of fun. Looking forward to meeting so many of you along the road, and also back here in Zanesville, Ohio at Nature's Image Farm for those pickups there too. I want to thank all the folks who have been coming out for the hands-on learning. Looking forward to seeing you guys along the way too. Just a little way that we can thank our bee customers. Folks that have bought packages and Nucs from us, we want to say thanks by supporting you too and providing hands-on learning right here in the learning yard. We're going to get to see all kind of different configurations, 10-frame equipment, 8-frame equipment, even one of those fancy Ricky Rorick horizontal beehives. It's going to be awesome. I just wanted to quickly say thank you because we couldn't do any of this without you guys. We really do appreciate you guys. We are sold out on Nucs and packages. For this year, we might have some Nucs come available maybe mid to late June, but we're going to focus on getting all of those orders out, everybody happy, and then just start really dialing in the rest of the year and really get busy on making a lot of queens. We are so excited. You haven't seen a lot of us on the YouTubes. We're behind on videos. It has just been nonstop here getting everything ready. Right now, we're here at the supply shop. At Nature's Image Farm. This is phase one, when we're just so excited to be able to offer some supplies here to our local folks. Things like we're completely stocked with Premier Foundation, the foundation itself, but also the pre-assembled frames, you name it. Wax dip boxes. We've got wax dipped hive kits. We've got some regular foundation over here. We've got regular frames. We've got all kinds of bucket feeders. In the other room, the wood shop, we've got a lot going on over there too. We just want to create a little space where if you need something here locally, come by, see us. We appreciate your support. We want to be able to support you too. And I'm going to give you a little sneak peek. Now, keep an eye out over on the Horizontal Bees YouTube channel. We went and visited Ricky Rorick. Check this thing out. Now, how cool is this? I can't wait to show you guys exactly how we're going to use this, but big thanks to Ricky Rorick and his wife for doing such a beautiful job making this for us. Anyways, hopefully we can get you some updates along our bee run, kind of take you along for the ride with us. But I just wanted to quickly say thank you, and I really do mean that. My wife and I, we raise a large family here on the farm, and so as you guys know who have families and businesses, every penny counts. You guys literally help us keep these lights on. And I just wanted to say thank you. We appreciate you guys. Looking forward to growing along with you, meeting you, so many folks here at the supply shop in the learning yard. And also, I love following you guys along on YouTube as well. I know I don't get a chance to watch all the videos all the time and comment on everything, but I want you guys to know we're rooting for you. We're here for you guys. I love this community that we're all building together. And before we get going and things really get crazy, I just want to take a minute to say thank you. So as always, remember, be the lighthouse and be the change that you want to see in this world. We'll see you next time, guys.